So today we're going to discuss the topic of mortgage rates and why the advertised rates perhaps on the internet that you see are not the rate that you may end up getting. Here's why. There's a lot of these little click boxes you can hit when you see a rate that nobody clicks. That will take you to their terms, meaning 780 plus credit, $726,000 loan amount, 60% loan to value. They'll say 30-year fixed. And for an example like that, let's say today your rate with no points is somewhere between 5.875 and 6.125. That's a super low rate, but only 21% of the people in the entire country have over 800 credit score. And only 21% of the entire population will qualify income-wise. So when you put those two things together, you're talking about maybe 3 to 5% of the entire population that applies for a mortgage would qualify for that rate. While the rate is there, it's a very stringent opportunity for the buyer and the client. However, when you are doing a mortgage, your credit matters, your down payment matters, your loan to value matters. Those are the things that derive your credit score and of course the program. Do you want to know the rate that you qualify for? If so, let's get on a call and put together a plan.
Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.